My wife gave me a Mavic 3 for Christmas. I was excited, so my son and I headed out to the desert to put it through its paces. Here's one of its first takeoffs so you can get a feel for how it sounds in the air. The Mavic 3 is certainly not quiet, but I think its pitch is lower overall, making it maybe a little more pleasing to the ear than the Mavic 2 Pro. Next up, it was time to test sport mode. See if you can spot the speck flying by at a top speed of 47 miles per hour. Overall, I was pleased with the Mavic 3's stability in the air. But I was less pleased with the remote control and the DJI Fly app. I missed the previous controller's jog dial to be able to adjust the aperture and shutter speed. And I had a number of lockups and freezes and crashes in the DJI Fly app. I think a number of problems were related to the auto exposure bracketing feature, which was just added to the latest version of the app. It's a critical part of my photography workflow, and I had a lot of problems with it as I flew. My son and I tested the secondary zoom camera, and it was entertaining to see the results, but none of the images from the zoom camera would be anywhere close to the quality you'd need to make prints. Happily, the 4/3 format main camera was a pleasant surprise. The video I pulled from it was absolutely beautiful. I'll give you some samples here. After an evening of testing, I've decided I'm very happy to be flying the new Mavic 3, but I'll be watching for app updates in DJI Fly before I head out again.